Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to pay for Disney Plus directly on your iPhone, whether you are signing up for the first time or updating your payment method. I will walk you through it step by step, so let's get started. If you are new, first head over to the App Store and download the Disney Plus app if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app, then tap Sign Up Now. Now enter your email and password. Now choose the plan you want, monthly or yearly. If you already have an account, then what you have to do, tap Login and enter your credentials. Now when you subscribe using the iPhone app, your payment will be handled through Apple's in-app purchase system. Choose your subscription plan, then tap subscribe. You will see an Apple pop-up asking you to confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once you are confirmed, the payment goes through your Apple ID and you will be charged through the payment method like to your Apple account, like your debit card, credit card or Apple ID balance. To check or update your payment method, go to your iPhone settings, tap your name at the top, tap payment and shipping. From here you can add or change your card info. So that's it. You have successfully paid for Disney Plus on your iPhone using Apple's secure system. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and drop a comments below if you have got any questions. See you in the next one.